Hi, I'm Becky and I'm here with Superdrug to take you through your Veganuary starter kit. If you haven't heard of Veganuary before, it's where you adopt a plant-based lifestyle and diet for January. I've been vegan for 3 years now, and I think this is a really good opportunity to just try out veganism if you've been interested in it for 30 days and see if it sticks. So we're going to go through some products now that you can adopt into your makeup bag and, go through Veganuary and beyond. Okay, so starting with primer, this is the Revolution Pro Matte Primer. It's a silicone-based primer, so it will smooth your skin out really nicely. It will make your foundation go on a lot more smoothly, and it will also make it last longer throughout the day. So next up, foundation. This is the Flawless Silk Foundation from Superdrug's own brand range B. It is a really, really lovely lightweight foundation, but it gives you great coverage if you add multiple layers. Next for concealer, this is the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Concealer. This covers everything. It's really, really good. I've got really dark under eye circles and it covers them really, really well. So for powder, we've got the Makeup Setting Powder by B, and the entire range of B by Superdrug is vegan, which is amazing. And this powder is really good because it's translucent, so it's going to work for many different skin colours. You don't have to get one precisely for your shade, and it will just set your makeup in place nicely and take away shine. Also from B, this is the Sculpt and Highlight Contour Kit. So this is a highlight and contour in one. And what's really cool about these is you can actually use them on your eyes as well. So you can use them as eyeshadow, maybe put the highlight underneath the brow bone as well. So it's a multi-purpose 2-in-1 product. For brows, we've got this Brow Contour Kit by B, and this comes with 2 different powders, so you can fill in your brows, any sparse areas you can fill in with these 2. And you've also got a highlight for underneath the brow bone and a gel to set everything in place. For eyeshadow, this is the Revolution Pro Regeneration palette, and this is a really lovely palette because you've got a mix of mattes and also shimmers, and it goes from neutrals to warm shades to some really nice deep blues. So for highlighter, we've got this Revolution Pro Supreme Highlight palette, and this comes with 3 different shades in it, so depending on what tone of highlight you want to put on, you've got options. Volumizing Mascara by B is a really great vegan option. It is really, really intensely black, and the formula itself it says water resistant, but it's actually waterproof. I've tried this many a time, and you can swim with it, you can go to the gym, it's brilliant. Lastly, for lips, we've got this Revolution Pro Lip Kit. This is the shade Naked, but you've got a variety of different shades in here, some more nudes and browns and lighter shades as well. And this would be a great option if you're just starting out with makeup as well, because you've got a variety of different options to go for all in one palette. So there is your Veganuary starter kit, some easy switches to make your makeup bag cruelty-free and vegan. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for more videos like this.